My name is Paula Zarowski. I looked on Legal Match because my husband and I decided that we wanted to set up a trust and do wills for both of us. We're in our 70s and we figured it was the right time to get that going. I didn't know any attorney at this point in my life, so I looked on Legal Match and figured I'd give that a try. I was looking on Legal Match specifically for someone who had experience with wills and trusts. I made my request and I heard from 3 lawyers. I selected the first one that I heard from, and I couldn't have been more pleased. I believe when I was online, I was making an inquiry to find an attorney in my area, and one of the selections that came up was Legal Match. I would say the attorney that we hired, Scott Noling from Noling Law, he was just fantastic, personable, intelligent, and very thorough about explaining the what and the why for what we were doing, not just filling out paperwork, but helping us to understand all of the benefits to putting together the package that we did. My first conversation with him was very pleasant, very down-to-earth sort of a person, and at the same time, very professional. I just felt an immediate connection. One other thing that was just a bonus, not only was he an attorney, he also had experience as a certified financial planner, which was kind of the ideal person for our needs, and it was the best choice. What I liked the best about Scott was that he was very thorough. After our initial conversation, my husband and I took some information from him and we decided to do the will, the trust, and the power of attorney for healthcare and financial matters. So we kind of did everything that we needed to do legally in our old age, which was a perfect package for us. I get the ease of finding the attorney that we needed. It was perfect. I would recommend Legal Match, in particular for people who don't have experience with lawyers and are looking for something specific. As my husband and I did, it was a perfect match.